Hello everyone. I have an idea that I come across on Facebook that I want to share with everybody. I don't know if everybody's seen this, but it's a pretty inventive idea. It's called a drip bottle. Looks like this. Consists of a chopstick, Q-tip, and a water bottle. I'm going to show you how to make it. If you're going to want to drip your plants with water while you're gone or whatever, pretty simple concept. I've got a pick tool here. I heat it up, get it warm so I can poke a hole in the top of the lid. Melts it in. It's just about big enough size to pour it out so that you can get a Q-tip in it. Take the lid off, take your Q-tip, and push it through. Some of these Q-tips just takes a little bit bigger hole, but you want it tight, but you don't want it all the way through. Well, that didn't melt it enough. I take my drill and auger it out just a touch to get it more, because that's just the size of pick that I have. Then you gotta force it in there till it's tight. Well, that ain't working. There it is. As you can see, it's in the inside of it. You put it on the bottle top. Then I just take some chopsticks, regular old chopsticks. Just depends on how much you use your chopsticks or if you have any extras. Then I slide it underneath the label. So the label holds it in place a little bit. Take a little bit of duct tape. You can use about any tape. I had this duct tape, so I figured I'll use it. You just stick it on there until it holds it on the bottle. Then you have a drip filled up with water. I already have some that's already made. I can show you. Once it's there, it gets wet, you get a drip. You can see as it drips. So the drip bottle works really well. Then you just stick it inside your plant. And you'll take it, insert it, so that it holds it up and it starts to drip. As you can see it dripping. Stick it in the plant, let it sit there, it'll drip itself out. Run the bottle out. It's estimated time for about 5 to 6 hours of water. So that'll get you going on your plant while you're away from it. I hope this will be a useful idea for you. Good luck with it.